Understanding You've Spoilt Me in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or maybe even from your English-speaking friends. You've spoilt me. We'll explore what it means, how to use it correctly, and the nuances behind this expression. Stay with us to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. The phrase, "You've spoilt me," is used to express a feeling of gratitude mixed with a slight concern that someone has been too generous or kind. It implies that the speaker has been treated so well that they might not be satisfied with less in the future. This phrase is often used in a light-hearted, affectionate manner to acknowledge someone's kindness or generosity. Spoilt is a variant of spoiled and is commonly used in British English, while spoiled is more prevalent in American English. Despite the slight difference in spelling, both mean the same thing in this context. The phrase can be traced back to the idea of spoiling someone by giving them too much of what they like, thereby potentially changing their expectations or behavior. Let's see how "you've spoilt me" can be used in different contexts. 1. After receiving a gift. "This gift is so lavish. You've really spoilt me this time." 2. Experiencing luxury. After staying at a luxurious hotel, one might say, "I can't go back to staying in budget hotels now. You've spoilt me with all this luxury." 3. General appreciation. When someone consistently does kind gestures, "I'm not used to this level of kindness. You've spoilt me." It's important to note the cultural nuances of this phrase. While it's meant to express gratitude and affection, the context and tone are crucial to avoid misunderstanding. It's mostly used in informal settings among friends, family, or close colleagues. Using it in a very formal context might confuse or convey a message differently than intended. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meaning and usage of "you've spoilt me" in English. This phrase is a beautiful way to express heartfelt thanks and appreciation towards someone who has gone above and beyond in their generosity or kindness. Remember, learning such expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you understand the cultural subtleties of the English language. We hope this video has been informative and entertaining. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.